in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a timed capture on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the right twice and find timed capture. Now enable it and set a start time. A start time can be set to like whatever hour. Let's set it to 18:30, which is 6:30 p.m. Repeat frequency can be set to once or every day, and shooting mode can be set and all the other stuff for the shoot. So it'll simply just start taking a video in 10 minutes. And it's I think a great option if you need it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.